Number 1. Skipping retros. All Scrum events are essential for a team's success. You cannot just skip an event. There are 2 forms of skipping retrospectives. Number 1, you don't have retrospectives at all. There is no retrospective as the team believes there is nothing to improve. I believe there is no such thing as an agile nirvana where everything is just perfect. As people say, becoming agile is a journey, not a destination. There is always something to improve. The second variation of the skipping retros is that the retrospective is used as some kind of dispensable buffer. The team cancels retrospectives if more time is needed to accomplish the sprint goal. The retrospective as a sprint emergency reserve is a common sign of cargo cult agile. I believe this is even a worse anti-pattern than not having a retrospective in the first place because everyone believes that the team is just working in a perfect manner. However, randomly canceling the retrospective to achieve the sprint goal is a clear sign in my eyes that the team does not understand basic agile principles, such as continuous improvement. If the Scrum team repeatedly does not meet the sprint goal, it should expect what is going on here and guess which Scrum ceremony is designed for exactly that purpose.